Next up, Unobserved for Tier 3 Shadow Company. In this, we need to equip a disguise, acquire a code from a Konni radio from a stronghold while disguised, and finally, use the code to open the locked closet in the Zaya Observatory and extract the laptop inside. This is relatively simple. For this, we'll need to head to Al-Mazrah, find ourselves a disguise, and clear out a stronghold. So, if you have, it's also a good idea to bring with a stronghold keycard. Once you land, you'll need to find yourself a disguise. Now, these spawn practically all over the map. They're somewhat rare, but they're also not that difficult to find. You'll usually find them inside of green crates, so that's mainly what you'll be looking for, but you can also find them inside of bags. So for this, you'll need to check tons and tons of rooms and areas and buildings before we even think about heading across to a stronghold, assuming you're unlucky, that is. So now that we've found ourselves a disguise, what we'll want to do is head across to a stronghold, clear it out, and we'll need to interact with it while wearing this disguise. Oh hey, look, a second one. We won't wear our disguise just yet. We'll start clearing out the area, looking for a radio first. Then once the one is dropped, we can equip the disguise and speak in the radio. So heading into a stronghold, we'll need to clear it out. I don't think you need to be wearing your disguise at this time, but unfortunately we didn't get a radio in this one, so we'll need to head across to another stronghold and try elsewhere. Anyways, just keep clearing out strongholds until you get this done. So heading to the next stronghold, and there we go. We've now found an encrypted radio inside of a stronghold. What we need to do is equip a disguise and hit F. Just make sure you have a notepad, phone, or something nearby ready to take down a number that you'll hear. There we go. I got the code 352. So using this code, what we need to do is find our way all the way up to the Zaya Observatory, where we'll need to enter this code. Finding our way over to the entrance to this underground bunker by the Zaya Observatory, we need to enter it, and inside of here, we need to head all the way up this tunnel here from the entrance, which is down here. Then when we reach this section, we need to head straight, go past B1, all the way across to the small staircase here. Inside of this staircase, we'll go through, then straight to the end, followed by right, left, right once more, and inside of this room here, you'll find all of these wooden walls. Between these two doors, you'll find a keypad, but we need to interact with it and enter the code. So in my case, 352, this will be different for you. Now we can open the door, and inside, we find a Konni hacked laptop. Sweet. What we need to do now is simply extract with the laptop inside, so we need to find our way to an exfil and get out of here alive. So for this, I'll mark the closest exfil, not exactly the safest, but we'll have to go for it and hope we make it. Hopefully successfully exfilling, we've now completed this very simple mission. So thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.